start by cut the deck into two pile. You can revolve and just split like this, or simply just cut and put one pile on your right hand. So from this position, you just execute double leaf right here and show the selection. So this is double. So one more time, you just revolve and cut. Or if you use this chain as a revelation, maybe you prepare a card on top of your deck, you just cut like this and place the pile on your right hand and just turn over your preparation card like this. So execute double leaf. So again, split and just take double leaf and showing like this. And this is the move. Maybe this is a little bit angle sensitive, so you just do this position. So I'll show you here. So you just peel the front card. Remember, this is double. You just start from here and you just insert your fingers in between these two cards, and you just slide your finger here. You just slide like this. So from here, remember, you just feel and insert your fingers and slide here. So this is from the front. So basically the front card is already pinched on this pile. So here, and from this position, all you do, you just curl your finger and let go the front card like this and just curl the position. So one more time here, show it like this. Remember, just insert your fingers, you just separate and just slide until you get this position and just show like this. So here, and from this position, you just curl your hand, just take the front card and just let go, and that's the chain. One more time. Right now we use the top card just in case you prepare the card that you want to chain. In this case it's two of hearts into jack of clubs. So all you do, you just cut like this and place the pile on your right hand and just turn over double leaf, show the two of heart. After that, you just turn. Remember, insert from this position, insert your fingers and just slide like this. So here, just feel, insert and slide and just display for a moment, and then you just curl and take like this. So one more time here, just insert, slide, and then just curl your fingers, take the front card with a shake and just do this. After that, you just put the rest like this and just take the final card. Again, here, split the deck, take double leaf, show the selection, and remember, just slide here and just do the chain, and you are end clean with the final card is only one card.